What's up guys? So you guys remember the first fishing event? What an awesome event it was. The rewards was really good. You get a free turf effect if you're going to grind in that event. The grind was long, but it was worth it. The rewards was really worth your time. The event was really good. And now we have a fishing trip 2.0, the reboot of this event, and the rewards in this event is absolutely amazing. What you are going to get in this event you will never get in any other event. If you're going to take a look at the rewards, this event is completely upgraded. If you will take a look at the annoying part in the fishing event where you need to fish for a long time and you need to be fast, they have upgraded this. Now the bar is also going to move. It's going to be even more annoying. And that's not it guys. The next thing about this event is even more better. We have a golf event and I think that's the most annoying event that we have in a long time. But this one is going to take its place. It's going to be the number one most annoying event of all time. This is the upgraded version of the first fishing event. What a joke. I mean guys, seriously, I just cannot understand why they have decided to reboot this event when the rewards are going to be absolutely trash. It just doesn't make any sense. The player base doesn't want this kind of event. This is not the event that they were waiting for. They were waiting for an even better fishing event. If at least not better, make it same. Make it a new turf effect with some decent rewards that it's going to be worth players' time to do this event. It's going to be worth the grind. But the rewards that you get in this event, some coins that you can use it to redeem some stuff, completely original idea. We have never seen something like this in previous event. The store is looking absolutely similar to other event. These are just basic things that you can get from all the places in the game. There is nothing special about them, and this is how they have done the fishing event 2.0. That's the upgraded version, a better version of the fishing trip that we have get before. And that's the most annoying part. If they just name this event something different and change the name, I will be really okay with this, because we have a lot of trash event time to time in this game. Rare to get a decent event in this game. Nothing going to change. But when they have a good event like fishing trip, that they have done something right in that event and finally player base have something to grind for, then they reboot this event with absolutely trash rewards. Everything good about this event they have eliminated, and the thing that was most annoying in that event they have included in the second one and even upgraded that thing. That's the surprising part about this event guys. I think they are doing some kind of experiment that let's make the most trash event in the game and let's see if players are going to complain or we are going to get away with this. So that's the kind of event Mafia Fishing Trip is. I will not say it's the worst event of all time, but it's definitely in top 10 in my list. They could have done a lot better with this event because the expectation was really high and what they have given us is completely trash, just completely disappointing. Some players message me, what do you think about the second fish event? We will get the new turf effect, because I cannot see. I get a question like this, you cannot see because there is no turf effect. The rewards are just okay, I will say below average or average. That's it about this event, nothing really special. So I will give this event 1 star out of 5 star, and that's me really good about this. I'm in a good mood today, so that's why I'm giving this event a little bit higher ranking. So that's my views and opinion about the new upgraded Mafia Fishing Trip event. Let me know your views about this event. Comment in the video below. Subscribe the channel, turn on notification, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.